Title: Unbelievable Savings Secrets for Back to School. Introduction. The back-to-school season can be an exciting time for students and parents alike, but it can also be a costly one. From school supplies and new clothes to textbooks and electronics, the expenses can quickly add up. However, fear not, we have gathered some unbelievable saving secrets to help you save big on your back-to-school shopping. So, let's dive in and discover the ultimate tips and tricks to keep your wallet happy. 1. Plan ahead and make a list. Before hitting the stores, take some time to prepare a comprehensive list of all the items you need. This will help you stay focused and avoid impulsive purchases. Additionally, check your home for any items you may already have, such as pens, pencils, or notebooks. By doing so, you'll avoid unnecessary expenses. 2. Look for sales and discounts. Keep an eye on store flyers and websites for back-to-school sales and discounts. Many retailers offer fantastic deals during this period, allowing you to snag items at significantly reduced prices. Moreover, consider taking advantage of student discounts or loyalty programs, which can further help you save some extra dollars. 3. Buy in bulk. Save money in the long run by buying school supplies in bulk. Items like pens, pencils, and notebooks are often cheaper when purchased in larger quantities. Split the cost with friends or family members, or simply stock up for future years. This tactic can be a lifesaver, as it ensures you won't have to purchase supplies at full price down the road. 4. Shop online. Shopping online can be a great way to save money and time. Online retailers often offer exclusive discounts and promotions. Plus, you can compare prices across multiple websites to find the best deals. Don't forget to check if there are any coupon codes available before checking out for additional savings. 5. Thrift stores and secondhand shops. Consider exploring thrift stores and secondhand shops in your area. You can find gently used clothing, backpacks, and even electronics at a fraction of their original cost. Not only will you be saving money, but you'll also be contributing to sustainability by giving these items a second life. Conclusion. With these unbelievable savings secrets in your back pocket, back-to-school shopping doesn't have to break the bank. Remember to plan ahead, take advantage of sales and discounts, buy in bulk, shop online, and explore thrift stores and secondhand shops. By employing these strategies, you can enjoy substantial savings while still preparing your student for a successful school year. Thank you for watching. For more back-to-school tips, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mandy Saves Money. Don't miss out on more incredible ways to save.